ladies and gentlemen, this is it. This is the new Magnum. And, well, look at it. Look at it. The Magnum has always stood for presence and power, but never before the Magnum has been this sharply defined, this confident, this unmistakable. Look at those lines. Look at those air blades. This is a statement, one you can definitely not unsee. A level of design clarity and precision no previous Magnum ever achieved. On the inside, freedom meets craftsmanship. The Magnum interior is your personal canvas. Whether it's handcrafted leather, personal stitching, punching, or bespoke individual materials. Every detail is shaped by your vision. It's your dream, it's your Magnum. And of course, the important thing, you want to know them, the numbers. We have up to 930 horsepower, 1,100 Newton meters of torque, 2.6 seconds from 0 to 100, and top speed of 350 kilometers per hour, limited to 330 kilometers per hour. And on this car we have another premiere. Our central exhaust system, exclusively development for the Magnum, is also available for the hatchback version of the Cayenne. This feature has never before been available for this body style, and now is brought to you by TECHART. And as you just heard, it's not just a striking design element, it also delivers a pure, emotional and sporty sound that turns every single drive into a great, unique experience. And well, the best part about the Magnum kit, it fits plug and play on every Cayenne E3.2 version. No restrictions. If you got a Cayenne, you can build your Magnum.